Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging Magazine, and I'm here with Mr. Pichai, who is the former Minister of Commerce at the CEO Networking Night. So apologies for a little bit of the background noise, but it's a very busy and very nice event. So, sir, welcome. Thank you for giving some time to me.
Yes.
Maybe you could expand a little bit more on the government support that gets to the industry in Thailand for electronics manufacturing.
Yes. 2 years ago, I was approached by Kun Sawek, who is I think, secretary of the Thai Printed Circuit Association. And he asked me, he told me the story of PCB. And I think, wow, should be the future of Thailand. So I've been helping him from the beginning. And then things are going well, though. And I go to many meetings with the investor, and I met with the Prismark, and I went to the function with them to see how it goes and invite all the investors to come here. And, Thailand, we need new S-curve, the new business for the future. I think PCB and, advanced electronic will be the future of Thailand, as well as semiconductor and data center, AI, and all kinds of that. That is our future.
Yes, and I think it's a strong future, and it's good to meet the person who has been the driver for this.
Yes, yeah. Before this, I was the advisor to Prime Minister, and I did promote the PCB from the beginning, and I see how it grows, and it's really good that after 1 or 2 years pass, things are going well with the PCB industry, and also for other semiconductor. Well, once PCB is established, then they bring out more of the cluster, all the smart thing, all the maybe chips, conduct, many other things coming.
Yeah, this is what people have been talking about a lot at the exhibition this week, is that printed circuit board manufacturing now, it's strong and quite established. And I talk to people now who are working for the semiconductor industry. Even now, they say they're sending young people to the UK to go to the universities there to train them to be semiconductor designers.
Yeah.
And, for me, I travel the world, I visit a lot of countries, and some are doing like one part or another part, or they do one part well and another part not so well. But in Thailand, you are looking at the whole ecosystem.
Yes, we would love to see that. I think things are growing toward direction, as you said. We have the investment on, if you follow the news in Thailand, not only the PCB or the semiconductor, we also have data center and AIs moving in Thailand. A few months ago, Tik Tok announced $8.8 billion investment in data center and AI in Thailand.
Wow.
And then also the backlog. Last month, the backlog announced $5 billion. And last year alone, I think we have $7 to $8 billion investment in data center and AI. We're also looking toward for the AI hardware too. I think it would be another field that Thailand should be looking at.
For sure. AI and AI data centers are the biggest growing sector at the moment.
Yes. And I'm sure they use a lot of PCB.
They use a lot of PCB. They use a lot of components. They use a lot of semiconductor.
Exactly.
So it's the ideal place to be. And it's also the area which is, for the manufacturers, the most profitable, because it's the higher technology.
Yeah. In Thailand, we also have the existing manufacturer of the hard disk, like Western Digital, Seagate. I think they produce about 90% of the world hard disk, and they're already produced in Thailand. And they're sent all over the world. And we already have all the components in Thailand. I think, as you say, ecosystem in Thailand is really moving forward, and I think I see this is the future of Thailand in doing this business.
I'm seeing it as the future too, sir, I have to say. And I can be completely honest and say that the ecosystem that you're building in Thailand is the best one that I see anywhere where I visit. So I have to say, first of all, congratulations to you for being one of the main drivers for this.
Thank you so much. The key success factor of Thailand is we have a lot of electricity. Earlier, we have 16,000 megawatts.
Yeah.
left for the idle capacity.
Yeah.
So all the high tech or the semiconductor or the data center and they use a lot of electricity,
Yep.
and they can set up right away and work in here.
Yep.
And we also have the BOI privilege, in order to promote investment in Thailand. We offer a lot of good things. So please come to invest in Thailand. I think we welcome all the investor. Any problem, let me know. I will solve the problem for them.
Well, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And I have to say, as well as the power, the other thing that you need for the very high-tech industries and the semiconductor is a lot of water and
Yeah.
good quality
Yes,
water.
yeah, exactly.
And you have that also.
Yeah, but water is also a lot abundant in Thailand.
Yes.
So we have all the facility needed for this. Yeah.
Okay, so, well, thank you for
Thank
coming
you so
in.
much. Thank you so much.
Thanks
Yeah.
for sharing
Yes,
this
yes,
with
thank
us.
you.
It's been
Yeah.
an honor and a pleasure for me.
Thank
So
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.